How to change your default music app on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. Here's a video tutorial on how to change your default music app on iPhone. As of today, iOS does not provide a built-in option to change the default music app on iPhone. However, you can use Siri to request music playback from a specific app. Now, the first thing that we have to do is to just go to settings and make sure that Siri is activated. To do that, just go to Siri and search or accessibility, and in here, just look for Siri and just make sure that your phone always listen for Siri, for Hey Siri. So just make sure that this is on. Now that Siri is activated, you can say something like, Hey Siri, play song on Spotify.
Okay, here's Bruno Mars Radio on Spotify.
Siri will confirm your request and start playback from the specified app. Now, if you want to use a different app, you can just say the same thing. So let's start with Hey Siri again. Hey Siri, play
Uh-huh.
song on Apple Music.
Playing all songs from Apple Music.
And Siri will confirm your request and start the playback from Apple Music now. And while this method allows you to play music from a specific app, it doesn't really change the default music app on your iPhone. So each time you use Siri, make sure that you specify the app you want to use. And that ends our video for today. If you found this video helpful, feel free to let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.